Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on classic car insurance with Hagerty, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on classic car insurance with Hagerty, start by visiting the Hagerty website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Insurance tab in the main menu. From there, select Classic Car Insurance. You'll find information about their coverage options tailored specifically for classic. Read through the available policies to understand what fits your needs best. Next, look for the Get a Quote button. Click on it to start the quote process. You will be prompted to enter details about your classic car. Provide information like the make, model, year, and vehicle identification number, or VIN. Next, input details about your driving experience, including your driving history and any prior car insurance policies. Hagerty also asks for information about how you plan to use the vehicle. Indicate if it will be a daily driver, show car, or used for special events. Once you've filled out all the required information, review your inputs for accuracy. After you confirm everything is correct, submit your information for a quote. You will receive a customized quote outlining your coverage options and premium. Take the time to compare this quote with other insurance providers if desired. Consider discussing the policy with a Hagerty representative for any questions. Look for any discounts available, such as multi-car or membership discounts. For added savings, consider joining the Hagerty Drivers Club. This club offers additional perks and resources for classic car enthusiasts. Finally, once you're satisfied with the coverage and cost, proceed to purchase your policy. Congratulations, you're now ready to enjoy your classic car with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.